Every single minute, a brand new car rolls out of Honda's factory in Japan. But what if I told you this factory isn't just a place? It's a synchronized machine. A futuristic ecosystem where robots don't just assist, they lead. This isn't your average assembly line. It's a glimpse into a world where machines work in harmony with humans, creating perfection with every spark, weld, and test. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why Honda's secret isn't just speed, it's obsession with perfection. Honda's Yuri plant isn't just a factory. It's a living, breathing system built to think, adapt, and improve. At the heart of its brilliance is Flexel technology, a revolutionary approach that allows the production line to reconfigure itself based on real-time needs. Unlike traditional factories with fixed assembly paths, Honda's system can shift workstations, change sequences, and optimize flow without stopping production. It's like Lego for machines, modular, efficient, and endlessly flexible. Automated guided vehicles zip through invisible magnetic highways, delivering parts with zero delays. These vehicles communicate wirelessly with the system, receiving orders, rerouting around obstacles, and syncing perfectly with the line's pace. Overhead, digital screens monitor every nut and bolt in real time. AI-powered analytics detect issues before they occur, reducing downtime and defects. Everything from temperature control to energy usage is optimized by a smart grid to ensure minimal waste and maximum output. Even the lighting is intelligent. It dims when areas are inactive and brightens when human workers step in. Nothing happens by accident here. Every movement, every component, every drop of energy serves a purpose. It's not just a factory. It's a neural network in motion, built for precision, powered by data, and designed for the future. Step inside Honda's production line and you'll feel it instantly. This isn't just assembly. It's a performance. A finely tuned symphony where robots and humans move in perfect rhythm, each playing their part with flawless timing. Every second matters and nothing is left to chance. Cars glide down the line with an almost hypnotic flow. At one station, robotic arms swing into action, welding body panels with bursts of precision sparks. Next, a technician steps in to inspect a joint or install delicate wiring, adding the human finesse that machines still can't match. This balance of power and precision keeps the pace lightning fast, on average with one finished car every 60 seconds. Unlike chaotic factory scenes of the past, Honda's floor is calm and calculated. You won't hear shouting or see confusion. Instead, there's silence, broken only by the mechanical harmony of machines and the occasional quiet instruction between workers. The entire process, from bare chassis to showroom-ready vehicle, unfolds in a seamless dance. Each task blends into the next without delay, without waste. It's not just about building cars quickly. It's about building them right, fast, and consistently. That's the Honda way. That's the power of synchronized innovation. Inside Honda's ultra-modern factory, robots do the heavy lifting, literally. Giant mechanical arms handle welding, lifting, spraying, and precision fitting with speeds and accuracy no human can match. They never tire, never blink, and never miss a beat. But even in this automated masterpiece, there are limits to what machines can do. And that's where humans step in not to fill gaps, but to elevate the craft. Delicate tasks like wiring, seat installation, and dashboard assembly require more than brute force. They demand intuition, a slight tug to realign a cable, a firm press to ensure a snug fit, or a final inspection done with a trained eye. These are things no robot can replicate with human-level finesse. Every steering wheel, every stitch in the seat fabric, every airbag installation goes through skilled hands that understand feel, fit, and finish. And when it's time to test the car, humans take the wheel, literally. They listen for subtle sounds, check responses, and sense what machines can't. It's this human attention to detail that transforms an assembled machine into a road-ready experience. At Honda, robots are built with speed, but humans build with their soul. Together, they create more than cars. They craft perfection, one precise movement at a time. In Honda's world-class factory, time isn't just measured, it's maximized. Every single second has a purpose. And every motion, human or machine, is engineered for efficiency. From the moment a bare chassis enters the production line, a silent race begins. Within just 15 to 18 hours, that skeletal frame transforms into a fully assembled, road vehicle. The entire process flows like clockwork. Parts arrive just in time, not a minute too early or late. Automated guided vehicles transport components across the factory floor, weaving through the workspace like precision dancers. Assembly lines are perfectly synchronized, ensuring zero idle time between stations. If one bolt isn't in place, or if one sensor detects a delay, the system adapts instantly to prevent bottlenecks. Each workstation is optimized for task execution in seconds, not minutes. Technicians know exactly what to do, how long it should take, and where to hand it off next. Robots don't rest, and neither does the process. It's continuous, calculated, and astonishingly consistent. This is why Honda can produce nearly 1,000 cars a day without sacrificing quality. The speed isn't reckless, it's refined. It's not about moving faster. It's about moving smarter. In this factory, efficiency isn't a goal. It's a lifestyle. Even after hours of precise assembly, high-tech welding, and meticulous inspection, a Honda car isn't considered complete until it survives the factory's ultimate proving ground, the testing track. This is the final challenge where machines meet the real world. Once a vehicle rolls off the production line, it's not celebrated just yet. It's scrutinized. Skilled inspectors check every inch, from door alignment to dashboard display, paint finish to panel gaps. But the true test happens outside the factory walls on a specialized track built to simulate real-life driving conditions. Here, trained drivers push the car through sharp turns, bumpy roads, steep inclines, and sudden stops. Every sound, every vibration, every flicker on the dashboard is monitored. Does the suspension handle rough terrain? Are the brakes responsive at high speed? Does the engine deliver smooth acceleration? Even the smallest rattle or hesitation can send the car back for recalibration. No detail is too small. No error is acceptable. Honda knows a car that performs perfectly in the lab must also shine under pressure. It's not just quality control. It's a test of integrity. And only the cars that pass with flying colors earn the badge of reliability. This final stage ensures every Honda drives out not just complete, but flawless. Behind the scenes of Honda's relentless production pace lies a powerhouse of creativity, its research and development division. Tucked within the same walls as the roaring machines and flashing welders, this R&D hub is where the next generation of Honda vehicles begins to take shape. Engineers and designers here don't just tweak, they reinvent. Working around the clock, they explore new materials, smarter engines, safer systems, and eco-friendly technologies. At any given moment, you'll find someone perfecting a hybrid powertrain, while another tests futuristic battery solutions. Digital screens glow with 3D models of concept vehicles, and test benches hum with prototype engines being pushed to their limits. Nothing is rushed, but nothing rests either. Every idea is studied, tested, and refined until it's not just innovative, but practical for millions of drivers. Whether it's refining self-driving systems, improving crash safety, or designing interiors that anticipate your needs, innovation here is always human-focused. This tireless pursuit ensures Honda isn't just keeping up with the automotive future, it's shaping it. Every upgrade, every tech leap, every safety advancement comes from this lab of sleepless minds. In a world that changes overnight, Honda's secret is simple: they never stop thinking forward. Amid the metallic hum of machines and the scent of fresh paint, Honda's factory in Japan hides another story, one of quiet sustainability. While the plant produces thousands of vehicles each day, it does so with a deep respect for the planet. Here, innovation meets responsibility. Water, one of the factory's most crucial resources, is recycled with surgical precision. After being used in cooling systems or paint booths, it's cleaned and reused again, ensuring not a drop goes to waste. Rainwater harvesting systems are also in place, collecting and repurposing nature's gift to reduce demand on local supplies. Above, rooftops gleam with solar panels that power major sections of the plant. Energy-hungry machinery operates with smart technologies that minimize electricity use. Even the lights inside the facility run on LEDs, cutting energy consumption without compromising brightness or safety. Waste, too, is handled thoughtfully. Scraps of metal, excess plastic, and paint residue are not discarded, but sorted and recycled or reused elsewhere in production. Pollution is not an afterthought, it's prevented before it can begin. This isn't just a car factory. It's a model of how industry and ecology can coexist. Honda doesn't just build cars here. They build a future that respects the Earth. Inside Honda's legendary factory, machines don't just build cars. They craft icons. This is where names like Civic, Accord, CR-V, Fit, or Jazz and more are born, vehicles that have earned global trust generation after generation. Each model reflects a different chapter of Honda's story. The Civic, sleek and sporty, has become a favorite among younger drivers who want both performance and style. The Accord, with its refined build and smooth ride, is a staple for families and professionals alike. Meanwhile, the CR-V dominates roads worldwide as a rugged yet comfortable SUV. And the Fit, or Jazz, proves that compact can still mean clever and efficient. But behind each of these success stories lies the same formula: precision engineering, relentless quality control, and a passion for innovation. Every part, from the tiniest screw to the most advanced onboard tech, is designed to enhance the driving experience. These cars aren't built to just move people. They're built to earn loyalty. The reason millions choose Honda is simple. They know what's under the hood is the result of decades of discipline, trial, and evolution. This factory doesn't just manufacture vehicles. It shapes legends that define roads and rewrite what reliability really means. So, now you know Honda's secret isn't just fast production or fancy robots. It's this, an obsession with perfection. From Flexel tech to rainwater recycling, from robotic arms to human instincts, it's a factory that never stops evolving. And maybe that's why every car that leaves here feels a little different, a little sharper, a little more alive. So, here's a question for you. If Honda can do this, what are the others hiding? Smash that like if you learned something new, and drop a comment if you want us to break down the secrets of Toyota or Tesla next. The factory wars have just begun.